Hey guys, how's it going? Wanted to make a video explaining basically what the noises in the sky are that everybody can't figure out. All these loud bangs, they can't figure out what it is. I'm going to tell you right now, okay? The earth angels, the rainbows, when we see the rainbows, it's only because of the droplets of rain. We only see them. They exist, but we can't see them until water basically gives it away. And what happens is all of your moisture, your water, your ether, everything collects under the rainbow. That's where we get our weather. And eventually this will collect up to the point where we'll get a storm. And the water droplets that it has collected and the moisture, and this is what makes your sap run and everything else too. It creates a pressure. It basically creates a storm, and we get to see the actual rainbows from the water droplets or the ice crystals in the sky that have been collected from down here. So, but anyways, and these get really big. They get huge. I mean, they're bigger than towns. So what happens is it pop the one of the smaller ones pops. Okay, we've talked about this in one of my other videos. This one pops, which leads that one to pop. This one's negative. This one's a positive. These two rush towards each other, and then boom, we get a loud noise in the sky. The only reason why we're not seeing it is because it hasn't collected enough moisture in here to be able to be seen. Doesn't mean that it doesn't have the positives and the negatives, which they do, to crash into each other because of the magnetic field that is separating the two. It gets carried away or it disappears or whatever, and that's what's going on. They're becoming more and more and more because our these little toroidal fields are shutting on and off more and more because we're coming to an end of a cycle. When a light bulb gets ready to burn out, it flickers. We're flickering right now, okay? And all these little flickers that are around the world are causing all the noise in the sky that nobody can figure out. Okay? They're invisible thunderstorms. We're not seeing the lightning. It's because there's not enough energy that they have collected to form this stuff. But they have enough to form a big, huge bang because it goes from a toroidal field to a flat line. And that causes all your positives and negatives to come crashing into each other like a bowling lane. When your bowling ball hits your pins, boom, there's your noise. And the lights that you're seeing in the sky, here's your stars, okay? Your star construct. You can't deny that the stars spin above us, right? Because we've seen a lot of pictures of this, okay? Well, there are what they call luminaries, okay? The luminaries are in the star halos, and they're also in the energy that goes over the earth. All that is these luminaries are transferring AC energy down to the earth angels, which make direct DC current in the rainbows. Okay? So what you're seeing, these lights right here, this is alternating current. The angels make DC current. And that's the current that we had free for so many years that we could run our cars, electric cars. We are direct current. We could recharge our batteries. We could heal ourselves with frequencies, magnetism, and pressure. But a lot of these cascading lights that people see coming down in pillars over volcanoes it is because the Earth Angels are they're under a lot of things. They're under buildings. They're under volcanoes. They are literally. It's a huge construct. It's just incredible how everything works. They call it what, neutrinos? The neutrinos come in from the air, and it goes down and it gets converted, and then it comes out direct current. The direct current comes out and forms of rainbows, and then every once in a while these things shut down, and you get a huge bang. Long of the short, and it's basically the toroidal field flickering and flatlining. So. And you can look all this up yourself, guys. They've lied about everything. Again. And it's disgusting. It's just disgusting how much that they have lied about everything. Everything. And it's all to spark emotion. I mean, there you go. This is what's going on. All around it, but it's going on a smaller scale. The ones that are popping are down here in the middle on the ground, you know? It actually would be here, I guess. Because it would be like that. And we got all our little rainbows on the ground. At any rate, I just wanted to explain it. You don't have to believe me. Like I said, you can go ahead and you can study it for yourself. You can look it up for yourself. And I don't blame you. I would. I absolutely would. Somebody like me, I wouldn't believe me. All right, guys. Peace.